Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this beautiful 1976 Jeep CJ7. I don't know that you could find or want one that's much nicer. So today we're going to take some time, preview this lovely lady, so that way you can understand if it's something that you might want to find in your garage. So see the Renegade package? No, I'm not super Jeep savvy, but I know what I like. And this embodies everything that I like. V8 304, automatic transmission, turbo 400. Retro sound, large aftermarket radio. This is fresh, meaning less than 200 miles on the build. See, brand new best top. Comes with a bikini top also. But look at this. Now I've been under this the last 30 minutes inspecting it. And wow, what a beautiful, beautiful truck. So everything is painted. It's like the speaker install yet to be finished, meaning looming the wires, but everything's there and works just like it should. Can't wait to drive this to the beach. So you can see everything is new and or replaced. And you can't fake it. Prone to rust pretty much everywhere. And you can see just how nice. This color blue you don't often see. Only the darker blue, but not this medium blue. It's a Bluetooth retro sound. All the gauges function, turn signals, lights. This is what really just needs to be buttoned up, which we'll do here shortly. But look at these floors. See if I can. When was the last time you saw a Jeep floor look like that? Locking center console. .33 by 12 and a halfs. Pop the hood here. There you'll see the power plant 304. Power steering, power disc brakes, long tube headers. Again, highly detailed. Our previous owner said this engine is fresh, like everything else. Hedman headers, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, completely rewired. electronic ignition. I'll show you. Now, it is up to temperature. However, this is exactly how it started, cold this morning as well. Look at this. Sure if the radio will work. It's connected to Bluetooth to my phone. I don't think it's going to allow me to play. There you go. I guess it does. Desktop. Oh yeah. Lift kit. How about that? Why don't we say this? Why don't we put her back together and go for a drive? So for that, I'll need both hands. Do that next. All right, here we are inside. I'm gonna get my sidekick Bobby, that B&M shifter there, lockout. So here we are at our main dealership. This is my 20th year making videos here for our customers. Boy, I sure do love it. 100 degrees in here. Let's put these.
Well, we've got to pull the mirror in. All the detailing we've been doing. There we go.
All right.
All right, we got a clear shot.
Nice crisp shift there. There we go. Great sound. Actually pretty comfortable. Typically these lifted Jeeps are all over the road, up and down, but not this one. About 90 degrees here in Conway, South Carolina today, and perfect day for top-down weather. So again, as I mentioned earlier, we have a bikini top also that accompanies this. Some people call it a bimini top, and also some step rails. So if you like the step rails and you're shorter than 6'4", you can have those installed if you like. So go up here, we'll make a right. We've already gone through all the buttons, turn signals, lights, everything functioned properly. Except for the horn. It was working, but I think we blew the fuse, truthfully. So here we go. And power steering, power disc brakes. 1976 CJ7. Finished in medium blue metallic. Absolutely beautiful Renegade. Thanks for riding along with me here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.